welcome to day 3 of the Blossoming Beginners Hoop Challenge. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a continuous smear. So let's go ahead and get started. First thing you're going to do is have your hoop out to your side. I'm using my right hand, and you're going to have your thumb facing up towards the sky. So you're going to want to flip your hoop upside down so your thumb is facing the ground. Next, you're going to want to swing the hoop right in front of your body like this. So the bottom of the hoop is going to touch the left side of your body. It's really important that it does touch your side because that's going to be what gives it the momentum to do a full smear. Once you're at this point, you're going to move your palm to the sky, of course still holding onto your hoop, and the bottom of the hoop is going to be touching your back. So once you're at this point, you're going to open your hand. I'm going to get a little bit closer so I can show you, and start to turn your hand to where the hoop is touching your side on your right side and your palm is facing behind you. The hoop is going to be resting between your thumb and your pointer finger. So definitely practice that little motion of just being behind you to putting the hoop in front of you and opening your hand, just like that. And once you're ready to move on from that, this is where your hand's gonna feel very awkward. So something I like to do so it really slows it down and I can really teach it well is to rest the hoop on my knee so you could just practice the hand motion. So you have the hoop between your thumb and your pointer finger. Practice going to the right and flipping your hand. It's gonna roll on the back of your hand just like this. So practice being here to here. So once you're comfortable with this, you're basically gonna do what you did earlier somewhat. You're gonna touch the hoop to your side, then your back, another side, and you're back to the starting position. So you can go into another one. But like I said at the beginning, it's very important that you touch your side because it's gonna give you that momentum that you need to be able to go all the way around. So one more time, let's speed it up really good. You're here, down, touch your side, touch your back, palm is to the sky, touch your other side, open that hand, grab, come back around. And I will say the faster that you do this trick, the more clean it's gonna look just because the momentum is gonna give it that whole spinny deal and it's gonna make it go around your hand a lot easier. See how it naturally just comes in there and all you have to do is open your hand at that point. You don't have to do that little awkward thing. It just will naturally fall into your hand. And just for funsies, here's a little combo that you can try and feel free to incorporate this into your challenge. I really hope you liked this video and found it helpful. I tried to break it down as much as possible. And here's a reminder that you just have to keep going. Don't give up no matter how frustrated you get. And happy hooping!